Hi and welcome to Quick Math. This video is dedicated to tutorial questions for two-dimensional objects, parameter, and area. When you get to each new tutorial question, you will be witnessing a red hand with the word pause on the top right. This is intended to trigger you to pause the video should you need more time to think through a particular question. Okay, let's start with tutorial question 1. What type of polygon is the attached star? To get to the answer, you would have to take count of the number of sides on the star. It being 10, it should be a decagon. Tutorial question 2. Is the attached shape a polygon? And if yes, what type is it? As long as the lines representing the sides are not open-ended, the answer is yes. As to its type, we would be needing to count the number of sides, and it being 17, it is a heptadecagon. Tutorial question 3. What is the perimeter and area of the rhombus when the opposing corners are 6 and 8 cm apart? If you cannot visualize the question, let the video roll. Here is the visual representation for what is said in question 3. Do press the pause button now if you need more time to think through this question. To calculate its parameter, we must first identify the length for one of its sides. Knowing that the rhombus is made out of 4 sides with equal lengths, the parameter is 5 times 4, which gives us the result 20 cm. As for its area, we should be able to identify it by halving the product of 6 and 8, which gives us the result 24 cm squared. Tutorial question 4. What is the perimeter and area of the rhombus when it is laid on one of its sides, with this side being 50 millimeters and is 40 millimeters in height in the laid state? Do let the video roll if you are unable to visualize the question. Here's the visual representation for what is said for question 4. Do press the pause button now should you need more time to think through the question. Again, the rhombus has 4 sides with equal lengths. With the dimension for one of its sides given, the parameter is a multiplication of 50 mm by 4, which gives us the result 200 mm. The fact that the rhombus resembles the parallelogram, in this state, the area is calculated by multiplying its base length against its height component. This gives us the result 2000 mm squared. Tutorial question 5. What is the perimeter and area of the kite when the overall height of the kite is 1200 mm? The ratio of its upper to lower portion being at 1 to 2 in height, and its short side being 500 mm. To identify its parameter, we must first identify the dimension for the long side of the kite. This is achieved by using Pythagoras' theorem to identify its width, which in turn will serve to find the long side of the kite. The parameter is then calculated by summing the dimensions for the short and long sides, then doubling the outcome. It should get us the result 2708.4 mm. As for its area, like what we have seen in the previous question, it can be obtained by halving the product of its width and height components, which get us the result 360,000 mm squared. Tutorial question 6. What is the parameter and area of the attached concave equilateral hexagon with a base length of 2.5 cm and a height of of 3.3 cm. As all sides of any equilateral polygon are equal in length, the parameter is a simple 2.5 times 6, which equals 15 cm. As the shape is also like two stacked rhombus or parallelogram, the area is also as simple as 2.5 multiplied by 3.3, which comes to 8.25 cm squared. Tutorial question 7. What is the parameter of the attached mushroom? Do press the pause button now if you need to think through this question. And the answer is 148 plus 20 pi. Starting from the top of the mushroom, where the dimension is 20 mm, then moving clockwise. 20 is our first dimension. The next 10 pi is obtained by calculating the dimensions of the arc for a radius of 20 mm. The next 20 is the radius of the sector. The next 16 is given. The next 10 is obtainable using the Pythagoras formula. The next 32 is also given. The next 30 is obtained using the Pythagoras formula. The next 20 is again the radius of the sector. And the last 10 pi is the arc dimension. The sum of all the said dimensions is the parameter, this being equal to 148 plus 20 pi. Tutorial question 8. What is the area of the attached mushroom? Do press the pause button now should you need more time to work out the question. And the answer is 1072 plus 200 pi. It is easiest that we divide and rule here. For this question, it means breaking them into smaller chunks, as well as identifying the area for each of these chunks. We can later sum the area of all the chunks to get to our answer. The smaller chunks are labeled here as A, B, C, D, and E. A itself can be calculated using the formula of a sector, B with the formula of rectangle, C being the same as A, D and E with the formula for a parallelogram, and E with the formula of a triangle. The area of the mushroom is simply the addition of A, B, C, and D, and that leads us to 1072 plus 200 pi. That's all the tutorial questions for our segment on two-dimensional objects, parameter, and area. Stay with us on our other segments of Quick Math if you had found this useful. Bye for now.